Your phone isn't the addiction, it's the escape. You check it in every gap, you scroll until you forget why. You close one app and open another before your brain catches up. But maybe the problem isn't the screen, it's what you're avoiding by looking at it. A 2021 study from Behavioral Addictions found that people with high screen time didn't necessarily crave stimulation. They craved avoidance. The phone was just the fastest exit from their current reality. You're not tired of your phone, you're tired of what your life feels like without it. Take away the phone and what's left? A job you resent, a room that doesn't inspire you, conversations that feel hollow, energy that never comes back. The phone isn't the problem, it's the symptom. And maybe the scariest part of putting it down is noticing how much of your life doesn't feel like yours. You don't need to delete apps, you need to redesign your day. The opposite of addiction isn't discipline, it's connection. Instead of punishing yourself for screen time, build moments worth staying present for. A slow morning ritual, a friend you call without multitasking, a goal you track by hand, a walk with no podcast. Data point. A 2020 report by the Center for Humane Technology revealed that screen time dropped by 37% when participants added 3 moments of intentional offline connection per day. Your life should be more interesting than your feed. You don't have a phone problem, you have a reality problem. Start small, 1 hour without escape. Not to be productive, just to see what's underneath. If your phone is the only thing that feels good, it's time to rebuild what you come back to.